Hey kindergarten, it's me. Just wanted to give you a new website to go to today. So you'll want to first make sure you click on the little house to go to home, and you can go to student and web resources. Remember, if you made a bookmark of it already, you don't have to go through all the steps. But we're going to scroll down, and today we're going to go to Disney Junior. I'm sure you've all watched Disney before. So you're going to be able to go and click on the Disney Junior, and you're going to be able to see tons and tons of cool stuff. Okay, so you're going to see all of your friends, all of the people you know, like Mickey, Doc, Jake, Sophia. Okay, and then you can scroll down, and you can see Little Einsteins. I love Little Einsteins, Handy Manny. And then you can see all of these other guys. Okay, so Sheriff Callie, Goldie and Bear. Okay, so you'll be able to see all of these different games. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to click on those. Another thing I want to show you is coloring pages. Do you see right here it says coloring pages? And if you click right here, you can actually see tons of different pages that you can color. Okay, and there's all your other friends. Check these guys out. There's Vampirina and Moana. Halloween ones, that's kind of funny. They're the bad guys in all the movies. Oh, there's Mickey. Okay, this would be a good one. So I just want to show you how to play it. Okay, so you're going to have to use your two fingers to scroll down, or you have to use this little thing right here, okay, to be able to see the different colors. Now, you click on it, then all you have to do is move it around until you find where you want. Do you see where it is orange on the outlines? And then once I click it, it turns what I wanted orange. So I can click yellow, and I'm going to go ahead and make this yellow so it looks like it's lit up. Okay, and then you can change the colors of Mickey and Minnie all you want. You can see here, I'm just clicking. So you can see that there's a little tiny drop that looks like paint. Okay, so that is what you use to aim. You click, I can't really tell. I know they're wearing, oh, I can change the background. Let's change that to purple. And we can put Minnie's hat. Put Minnie's hat in that same color. There you go. I can't tell if there's anything that I'm missing or not. Maybe this can be black. I'm not sure. Okay, but it's pretty cool. And then whenever you're done, all you have to do is click clear, or you can click that little back arrow and it'll take you back to all of the stuff. Okay, so you can play those. So you got coloring pages, or you can click on the games. And I like to click Disney Junior games because those are all the friends that I know. Okay, and you can click the little arrow, and you see how it moves over to more games. Okay, so let's do this one. I just want to show you that if your game doesn't load, that you might have to click this little button right here. This is called Ad Block Plus, and Mr. Walker might have to help you with it. It looks like it eventually loaded, but if it doesn't load, you click here and you click right here where it says block ads on this website. So you click it, and then it will say refresh this page. That means that you loaded again. So you would click right there, and then your game should be able to play. That's if you ever run into, on any of these websites, a place where your game doesn't work. It may say you have to turn off an ad blocker, and that's what that is. So this is Sophia. You can change your background. You click Sophia, and you can go over, and then you click, and then you can move her wherever you want. And then you can find her family. He's my favorite. And then you can click on animal friends. He's fun too. Oh, he's way too big. So you can click right here and you can make him much smaller. You can actually spin him upside down, but I don't know why you would want to do that. Okay, so and then you can play around with it. So you click and drag to make it smaller. See? And then when you're finished, ta-da! And then whenever you're done, just click that back arrow again. Okay, so hopefully this is fun. There's Sophia games, there's Doc McStuffins, tons of fun games. Now, get in there and get to playing. If you don't understand, that's okay, because we're new. We're new at new games, and there's no reason to be sad if you can't figure it out. Just click the back arrow and try another one and see if there's one that works. Hey, so it looks like a handful of those games aren't working. I'm trying to get with Google to figure out why, okay? But if you can't find any games that you like on Disney Junior that actually work, okay? Some of the sticker ones work, and a handful of the other ones work, and the coloring pages will always work, okay? But if you want to go back, you can go to Web Resources. Remember, you can play Disney Junior, FunBrain, we did last week, and ABC we did last week or the week before too, okay? And if you want, you can go to FunBrain Junior. Okay, it's got some fun games, but those are going to be difficult. I think some of those don't work either. Okay, but let me show you. Okay, so it says right here, it says Beach Ball requires Flash. Please download it to play. If you click on it and then say allow, okay, it'll let you play all the games.
Let's play beach
okay,
ball.
and it'll let you play beach ball.
Balance the raft by clicking on the two beach balls below, whose combined numbers equal the beach ball on the raft.
Okay, so it's adding. So what two numbers together equal 6?
By clicking on the two
2 and 4. Nice. Okay, so you keep going and you do that. Okay. Good job. Until you got the game going, you're going to have to do that, and maybe you won't have to do it for each of them.
By clicking on the picture below that is the correct size.
Which one of those looks like the same size? I think the littlest one.
The seesaw.
So click it. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So you can go in there and play some of the games. Just that first time, you're going to have to make sure that you click that little download and then allow button. Okay. It looks like I'm about to get ransacked by a 2-year-old. Okay. Have fun, guys. Bye.